those 16 fields, 16
Yes,
fields
yes.
in condition type. So
Yes.
that's very important to have a control over the pricing procedure and pricing process, because pricing is controlled by this the condition type is controlled,
Yes.
because within the condition type, because see, when you come to the pricing process, the entire pricing is controlled by the pricing procedure, and procedure is executed based on the sales area, your document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure, and condition record plays a major role in determining your pricing. But when ultimately condition type and is being decided and the price is decided, it is not everything. There are a lot of controls within the condition type when you go to the customization, isn't it? So
Yes.
the first thing is the condition type will have two major roles to play. One is go to SP. What is the V slash? So this is procedure. V slash 05 will go. Just a minute. For the condition types. Right, condition type is slash 06. So where we have the condition types where we can customize. Suppose go to position PR00. So creating your own is simply creating a PR00 and changing the setting, copying it. But why we are copying, why we are changing, what field to copy. So this is the one of the major screen which it depends on. You can see we can directly call the condition record from this place. It's called record for access. Can you see this? So it is showing you the display condition records screen. So it is going to give you condition record and it is asking you to which sales organization. So for every sales organization, distribution channel and customer, it is giving me material related pricing condition record. You can see this.
So this is the condition table for
Yes,
like,
yes. These are all, you can see
with the
305 customer material table with release status. So you are getting, it is a list for the, so from where I have come from record for access. So these are some settings like which we have group condition, we have discussed in the other class, changes which can be made, header conditions which will affect the header, item condition which will affect the item, then amount percentage, or you can have quantity relation, you can have value relation. Value means the total amount what you bought. On that basis also I can have my control. So he has given manual entry has priority. So whenever changes you wanted, manual entry is always had a priority. And these are some basic things which will control the condition type. And other thing what we generally see is, so within the condition types, where are the 16 fields? I can't see here. Where can I see? In the pricing procedure. The T code is V/08. So within the procedure, there are 16 fields how the condition type will again behave. So what is the main procedure we generally see? RVA001. Sorry, RVAA01, and once we open this, these are control parameters of, how many control parameters? You can see there are 16 control parameters within the pricing procedure for each condition type. How many? 16. What are those? Step, counter, condition type. So each of these things, if you can see what is a step, why this 8 step has come here, EK01, why it is in the 8, what is this counted 0, you have to understand. What is this from, what is this to. In some cases he has given, anywhere did he maintain mandatory option here. Why it is mandatory? Because it is the cost. gross, sorry, manual, just
Required. Actually, earlier version has
Yeah.
mandatory, sir, instead
Yeah.
of requirement.
yes, before that. So if you can see, if I'm making manual means somewhat the basic cost and the gross cost, I can change it as manual, and I can have from to. So what is this RE? Required. That means condition is mandatory. So you have manual here, and required means it is
Mandatory.
mandatory option. So then statistics. Statistics means what? So this indicator causes surcharge or discount to be set in the discount statistically, that is without altering the value. That
Yeah, what
means,
is the example of this?
see, basically what he says is the indicator causes surcharge or discount. Suppose surcharge will be $2 more, discount will be $2 less. So within the document, statistically, that is without altering the value. That means we do not want to enter value manually, but still the -2% happens without altering by default. It will calculate and accumulate. So automatically it will change its value. We don't alter it. That's what he's talking about.
And similarly, from and to is basically it's a range of discount or surcharge, right?
From and to, yeah. See, I'll show you that from and to also. Just a minute. So here you have to assess when you're talking about from and to. You can see, suppose you're having this group rebate, he's saying that you only start from 400. Don't give a rebate for all the 100 condition types. That means this 400 is generally talking about the step for the percentage condition. So what is step number? Here you can see. So what is 400 here?
Price is the first one.
Here it is. He's saying the rebate basis starts from 400, so that's the reason the group rebate should only have
Starts from 400.
absolutely. So that means within that also they will have their own steps. So
Yeah.
again, counter is another thing which you have to remember. It's the access number of conditions within a step in the pricing procedure. What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's like a big kind of access condition. Which condition it will access first and then.
Absolutely. See, these all are, no, you will not understand in a single day. It will take a lot of exercise from your end. So you have to be very careful. So counter is nothing but it is an access number. So let me go to this 1, 2, 3, 4. Pallet discount, pallet surcharge, again mixed pallet discount. That means in this counter, when it comes to 805, if I don't give this 1, 2, 3, 4 counter, what happens? Can you tell me?
Number will be- It will not know which condition to access first.
Because it will give all 4. It will give the first one, then it will give the second one, then it will give the third one. So what I have to do is, I have to restrict the system. Once it given one discount, the other 3 discounts should not be affected. That is the reason this access number step, that counter is within the step. 4 steps are, all 4 are okay, but once it is given one surcharge, it should not give the second surcharge. So obviously discount or surcharge, anyone, nothing more than this, isn't it? So be careful in understanding. So you got what is counter, what is a step. Then now the big thing comes, the condition type, where we are. Do remember, condition types within a pricing procedure are dependent on steps and counters, right? Whereas PR0 is concerned, it is only 1, that's why the counter is 0. But in some cases, there are 4 different, you can see this here: percentage discount, value discount, freight discount. There are 1, 2, 3 within 810 and HA00, HB00. So this particular sales document or sales area for this customer, you will have, maybe you are having HA00, HB00 and HG00, and I don't want all discounts to work at the, it's very dangerous in the pricing process, isn't it? What happens? The discounts, all it works, then the customer, when he has to get 3%, it will give 30%. So company is going to lose money, because pricing is so dangerous related topic. So in the interviews they are going to expect, because this is dependent on all the pre-sale, sales, shipping, billing. Okay. So this is called, these are different condition types. So it will only, and you can see he has given, though it is manual, it will only affect the first one. That will show you in the system. Once it is affected, 2 and 3 will not work. That's called the access numbers concept. Access, ACCSS means search strategy. You know, even in pricing, you have access sequence. What is that advantage, you know? Once it access will search, keeping on searching, first, second, third, did not find the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. All 4 fails, it says condition record not found. If any one thing is found, suppose it found it in the second one, third and fourth it will not search.
Exclusive.
One is quantity discount.
My question is like in the counter 1, 2, 3, either of the one will only execute, you mean to say, right?
Yes, it will only execute the first condition type, the second one it will discard.
Oh, it's not all 3 will execute together, like
Yes.
after 1, then second, then third.
Obviously,
Not like
logically,
this.
right? Logically, if you see a business wise, all 4 conditions should not work. Value discount,
Yeah.
quantity discount, freight discount, all discounts should not be given.
So
Anytime,
it's a mandatory, so anyone will be taken.
yeah, 0 is also possible. If it is 0, there is no problem. See, we are discussing all this topic because we should know how the system will behave in future. For that reason, we are discussing these 16 fields. So pricing is dependent on this. That means the pricing procedure, the control is controlled by 16 steps. Remember this. So, and when it is counter, there is another one, something called from and to. Okay, it has counted HA001, but percentage discount on what particular, it is on the standard price, it is on the regular price, it is now generic. That's the reason from and to are empty. So in this standard system, you just check somewhere they have given this from numbers. 2 numbers they did not, you can see this 300 has between 101 and 299. It should not cross that level. That means, where is 101?
Yeah, the number range.
No, in the step. 101 is step. This one. The first field. You can see 101 is sales promotion. He says from 101 till 299, whatever condition types are there in this list, till 299, it has to, you can see there are many, right? Weight discount, discount value, hierarchy, product, maybe many things may be possible, but till this 121 he want 101 to 299 to be